With me right now, live from Davos at the World Economic Forum, is Oscar Onyema, of course, CEO of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Oscar, thanks so much for joining us on a very, very chilly day here in Davos, Switzerland. Let's get straight into the nitty-gritty of it. Third most profitable bourse on the African continent after Egypt and Kenya last year. Outlook for 2013.
2013, we're still very excited. We are introducing a number of new products, and we expect that the rally that we're seeing should continue, given the fact that we're only halfway to where we were in 2008.
What kind of message are you bringing to Davos this year? Because we know certainly on the agenda last year was encouraging businesses and highlighting the NSE as an appropriate and very competitive platform for corporates to raise funding.
Yes, and that message continues to go on. We've aligned our strategy with the transformation agenda of the federal government of Nigeria. We had a strong Nigerian delegation here, led by the president of the country, and we basically met with a lot of potential investors and stakeholders to explain the transformation agenda as it relates to agriculture, as it relates to the oil and gas industry, as it relates to technology and all the other wonderful things that are going on in Nigeria.
Oscar, it's one thing putting the message out there, another thing actually getting response. I mean, of the, 20 new listings that was anticipated during the course of 2012, only 2 actually came to the fore. So have we perhaps been raising the bar a little too high?
You know, when we put out the 20 companies anticipated, that was because the companies that told us they were going to list in 2012, some of them had gone public with that announcement. But market conditions did not really pick up until the second to third quarter of 2012. So we anticipate that now that the secondary market seems to be on a roll, that the primary market will come back alive.
You're very much echoing the optimistic tone that's been taking hold of the World Economic Forum this year in Davos. When it comes to challenges, though, what are some of the challenges that persist in actually achieving targets and hitting those goals that you've set? One of them, of course, still remains liquidity. Very big challenge.
Yes, liquidity continues to be a challenge, but we've seen significant improvement this year. We now have trading volumes of values traded at over 25 million US dollars daily, which is a significant rise from an average of 17 million US dollars last year. And that number continues to rise. So we are taking measures. We've introduced market making, securities lending and short selling to address the liquidity question.